Ducati Panigale V4 SP 2027 is coming. And the funny thing is, Ducati didn't actually announce it. A government agency did. Hidden inside a routine California Air Resources Board filing is the first official confirmation that Ducati is adding the Panigale V4 SP to its 2027 lineup. CARB certified the 2027 Panigale range in March. Then in July, Ducati quietly submitted a revision adding two names: the SP and a Ducati Performance version, likely referring to an optional performance exhaust. And that's where the confirmed information ends. We have a name, a filing, and a model year. But almost everything else is still a mystery. The SP will share the 1,103 cubic centimeters V4 engine used by the rest of the Panigale range. Ducati hasn't confirmed power, tuning, weight, price, or equipment. Still, the previous SP gives us a clue. It came with an STM-EVO dry clutch, billet foot pegs, carbon fiber wheels, upgraded Brembo brakes, a lighter chain, an aluminum tank, and Ducati Data Analyzer Plus. Those are serious upgrades for track riders. But none have been confirmed for 2027. It's filling a gap in the price ladder. The formula is simple. Take an existing platform, add premium hardware, give it a special badge, and create another reason for customers to move up. There's nothing inherently wrong with that. Carbon wheels, better brakes, and a dry clutch can make a real difference. But it raises a question. At what point does innovation become variant multiplication? For now, there's no confirmed price, official photo, or launch date. The expectation is that Ducati will reveal the 2027 Panigale V4 SP during its World Premiere series this autumn. Until then, remember what we actually have. Not a full reveal. Just a government filing, and a lot of educated guessing.